Hi everyone, Brad here. Welcome to Airstream of Utah and Wyoming. I come to you today to give you a tour of this 27 front bed twin 2022 International. This model is gorgeous. I think it's a fantastic rig and I'm excited to show it to you. It's not for sale. I just want to give you an idea of what one looks like, just in case you haven't seen one before. Let's go take a look. Before we get going, a few data points about this model specifically. It's called the 27FB, but it's actually 28 feet long from hitch to the bumper. It's 8 feet 5.5 inches wide, outside 8 feet 1 inches wide inside, 9 feet 9 inches tall outside, 6 feet 7.5 inches on the inside. It has a hitch weight of 850 pounds. Its empty weight is 6,100 pounds. Its max capacity is 7,500 pounds, giving you a 1,500 pound carrying capacity. The fresh gray and black water tanks are 37, 35, and 40 gallons respectively. You have 15,000 BTU ACs up top. This one has the optional second AC up top with a heat pump. You have a 25,000 BTU furnace down below. This particular model has the twin beds and they measure 34 by 80 inches long. And you can set up this convertible back here to sleep additional folks. This model is gorgeous. I love the retro look of these cabinets back here behind me and the cabinets up here in the kitchen and the ones in the bedroom. The bank of windows around all the way around here, you see how much light is let in. This model is absolutely fantastic. Just to talk about a few of the options that come in the kitchen here. You have a 3-burner cooktop, Dometic cooktop. This one came with an optional convection oven microwave, which is fantastic. Otherwise, you would have a gas oven there, and you would have a microwave here in this pantry pull-out drawer. A giant pantry up top. You have this really nice pantry pull-out drawer all the way down. You have 3 drawers down here beside the sink, a silverware drawer and other drawers you might need. Down below the sink, you have plenty of storage space. It has a nice deep sink right here underneath this. Over here across from your kitchen, you have this giant refrigerator freezer combo, which is all electric. You have the storage bin up top and you have one down below. Here in your hallway, you have this giant closet. It's a two-door closet. Plenty of space in here to hang all sorts of things. In this particular model, you have the twin beds options. You have a closet on both sides, right up against the wall there. And you have these 2 twin mattresses. They have plenty of storage underneath. You also have storage outside and up front outside. So the twin beds come with more outside storage than the queen bed typically does. Both of your closets on either side of the bedroom, you can leave the shelves in here or you can take them out and make it a hanging closet. Back here in this giant lounge den area, you have this beautiful wraparound view all the way around the back. You have this bank of windows on this side with the ones up top. Have a couple of skylights. I'm going to show you how this all converts into a bed space should you need it. So this particular model can sleep up to 6. 2 up in the bedroom in the twin beds, 2 here, 2 here. Here we go. Now I have this entire area, which is a bed. I can lay here comfortably. I can sleep 2 people here, should I need to. And I can also do the same over here. I've got plenty of space, and I can roll over, and I have plenty of space here as well. Please let us know if you have any questions about this model or any other model. Stop by and see us. We'd love to meet you. Have a great day, everyone, and happy adventure.